Guys, welcome back to my channel. As you can tell from the title and the intro, I am doing a Fabletics haul today and I'm pretty excited but a bit nervous. I'm a bit nervous too because I have never done any type of try on haul on my channel, like ever, right? So first time for everything, but I did say that I wanted to start incorporating a few additional pieces of content on my channel. So here we go. But anyhow, recently I have been trying to be a bit more intentional with moving my body more, and along with changing some of the ways that I eat. I just want to feel better and be healthy as I possibly can, and take control of my health by eating better and working out and moving around. So I have not worked out in about a year now. Oh my goodness. Yeah. Like actual workout. I do like to hike whenever I travel, but like actual working out, I have not done that in about a year. And so I figured to motivate myself, I would order some cute workout clothes. And I've been seeing like so many different plus size Fabletics hauls on YouTube as well as TikTok. So I went ahead and placed my first order, and I figured I would share some of these pieces with you guys today. So I do want to do a quick disclaimer before we get into all the goodies. Quick disclaimer. So typically here on my channel, I create food content. So if this is your very first time tuning in, did I already introduce myself? Welcome. My name is Tamisha, and this is generally a recipe channel, but I just want to let you guys know that in case you are specifically searching for plus size content creators or hauls and everything, that I just don't want you to be surprised next week when you come back and there's like a casserole or something on here. I am not a plus size content creator, but I am a plus size woman who from time to time will share some of the things that I found that I enjoy. Okay, enough of that. Okay, so in case you're not familiar with what Fabletics is, it is a website that you can go to, and they have tons and tons and tons of different workout options that are like high impact workouts, yoga, running, just really cute sports bras and leggings, and coordinated outfits that make you feel pretty confident when you're working out, so they're really cute pieces, and they do a lot of different like discount codes. When I placed my order, I think I ended up with getting like 70% off because I had my stuff sitting in my cart for probably about 2 weeks before I actually submitted my order. So I ended up getting like 70% off, I think, but it is a membership, so you do pay each month like I think like 50 some odd dollars, but you don't have to commit every single month. You can choose to skip months if you want to, but they do have very cute pieces, and so I'm gonna show you guys some. Now, I guess we should go over sizing, right? So I teeter between a 16 and a 20. It just depends on the branding. I am, okay, so you know what? Full transparency, right? Because listen, you came for a review, so I'm gonna give you a review, and I want you to be able to make sure that when you are on the website that you, if you're comparing, if your body is similar to mine, you have all the right numbers. So I teeter between a 16 and a 20 in clothing, depending on the brand. Bust size, bra size, I am a 46, 48D. Usually tops, I wear anywhere between a 2X and a 3X, and bottoms are usually a 1X. I'm smaller on the bottom, and I'm top heavy. And I weigh 256 pounds. All right, and I am 5'8". So that's all my numbers. So hopefully that is helpful if you're looking and trying to make your decisions. So let's go ahead and jump into the first piece. Show you the pieces. I'm going to tell you the price, give you the name of it, and then I will right here or right here, one of these sides, I will try them on for you as well. So we'll start with my very first piece. I'm going to start with what I've actually worn and worked out in already. So this is the very first one, and this is the let's see, this is the Simone Sculpknit Reversible Sports Bra, and it is the racerback design, double layered for extra support. And on the website, this is $64.95. So I do like that this is reversible. This is the inside color. The only thing about this one is that the bust area fits fine. You know, it's very comfortable, but the banding is very, very tight, and as you can see in the clip, it rolls up. So I can't actually keep this flat. This one, I feel like I probably could have done a 3X in just so that the band would be a little bit more comfortable. I did pair these with these jogging pants, which are super, super comfortable, and these are the Daria joggers. The Daria joggers, they are $74.95 on the website, and I got these in a 1X, just in case I didn't mention or you didn't catch it earlier. All of the sports bras are a 2X, and all of my bottoms are going to be in a 1X. So these are super comfortable. Oh my goodness. And I love this olive green color. It is very comfortable waist. The waist is drawstring, it has pockets, and I like the cuffing at the ankle. I've worn this twice to work out, and I've worn it once out to run some errands. And super, super comfortable. My workout of choice, so when I work out, I want to move my body, I turn on like a fire playlist and I dance. That's like my favorite workout. So these are definitely dance approved workout clothes. Like, you know, I get a good sweat dancing around with these on. The only downside I will say to these pants is that I just noticed is that they already have some piling, I'm not sure exactly how you pronounce that, but you know what I'm talking about, like the beads of fabric that start to come up after having a pair of pants or shirt or something over a period of time. I just got these, like I literally just got these, and they're already starting to do that. So that's a bummer. I don't really like that, especially for the pricing, which we're gonna get into the prices. We're gonna get into the prices. Actually, let's talk about it. Let's talk about it real quick. So that was $74.95 for those pants. I will say that, so my original shopping cart was like upper 400, close to $500 for all of these pieces. And with by the time I actually checked out with my discount and everything, it was like was 70% off they had offered, and it ended up being like $150 some odd dollars for all 8 pieces. I'm going to be real with you. I would not have paid $500. I would not, like, and nowhere would I have ever paid $500. I'm not saying that it's not worth that, because I'm pretty sure some people don't mind paying that much for their workout clothes. I'm just saying for me personally and my budget, I feel like the $153 that I paid for the 8 pieces is what it should have been in the first place. That's neither here nor there. Okay, that's neither here nor there, or it is, I don't know. But anyhow, let's jump into the next piece. Listen, I want to be as real and as honest and as transparent as possible. So I'm just letting you know my honest opinion on the pricing. Okay, so this next piece is this sports bra, And I like this sports bra. Now this is a 2X as well, but the band, as you can tell in the footage, the band is way more comfortable on this one. It does not feel like it's, you know, pulling me in too tight. It sits comfortable. It does not roll up. I really enjoy the fit of this sports bra. And this is the Mila Medium Impact Sports Bra 2. Racer back design with a back phone pocket, okay? And this is $49.95 on the website. It does have a little cell phone pocket right here, which to me, I was like, I had it on, and I'm like, okay, let me just test it out and see, because it's, you know, really good concept. Okay, yeah, you could stick your cell phone right there, you know, and do whatever. But I'm like, how am I gonna get to the phone? Like, it was no way I could have reached, you know, to get my cell phone into that. But also I am, you know, maybe it's because I'm plus size, I don't know, maybe maybe it may work for some, but for me it didn't. It does have a little bit of padding in here as well, which is nice also, but this is very comfortable. I paired this with another pair of Daria jogging pants. Now these jogging pants are the same, like the green ones were the Daria as well, but these are a different material. So this is the slim fit drawstring waistband Daria jogger. This is a $64.95. This one I feel like, here they go right here. Make sure I'm actually holding them up. So you can see it has a thicker waistband. The drawstring is a little bit different, and the cuffing at the ankle, you can see, is a little bit different as well. Moving on, I have just a couple more pieces to show you. These are sets, and these are my favorite. My favorite out of everything that I bought. So I'm going to start with the shorts set. And this is, so I love the color. I was so excited to get this because I absolutely love the color. So look at that, right? It's this beautiful purple, like lavender, and I love the neon lime green right there that complements it, and then you just have these pink straps. This is super, super cute. What I love about this is that the straps are adjustable. I think out of all 4 bras, this is the only one that I have where the straps actually adjust on it. And this one is the Belle High Impact Sports Bra. Has adjustable straps, moisture wicking, and this is high impact, and this is $64.95. So I loved this, as you can see in the footage. What I do also love about it, if you are like me and you know, the girls need to breathe, okay, it does have this like mesh. See that mesh right there, just to give you some air. Give you some air, you know, in the needed areas. And then for the shorts, okay, I love these shorts. I absolutely love these shorts. These are, let me give you the name. These are the high-waisted Trinity run shorts. And this is, let's see, okay, so this is $64.95. And what I like about this is that they have a zipper in the very back. So, you know, you put your keys or something in it when if you're out working out, running, walking, or whatever. And then it has these 2 side pockets as well. So let me just give you a look at these. Hopefully you can see the color. Yeah, that's better. You can see the color better than this. And this lighting, but I've been trying to get away from wearing, because I like to wear a lot of dark clothing, blacks and grays and blues, olive greens. And so this year I have been telling myself that I'm going to brighten up my wardrobe. I'm trying to brighten up my wardrobe as much as possible. And so I just love how bright this is. It just, you know, put this on. And and also too, I moved around a good bit in this. These don't budge, okay? So I have love handles, a fupa, I got a belly Okay, you know, these do not budge when I'm dancing in them. I tried testing them with squats. They do not move, and they definitely hold your stomach in while you're working out. And but one thing I will mention about these excuse me, about these as well as the next set that I'm about to show you is that if be careful about your undergarments if you are, especially if you're plus size like me, because you know obviously it's going to stretch even more, and with the stretch depending on what you're wearing under it, you can actually see your undergarments through your shorts. So just be mindful of that if you do order these. The last and final set is my favorite, like my absolute favorite set. When I logged into the website, this is the first thing that I saw, and I'm like, oh, I love that. I gotta have it. I gotta have it. Okay, so let me go and grab it for you real quick. And I already took the tags off of these. And this is the Freya Sculpknit sports bra. Look at this color. Look at that. Oh my gosh. I love this. I am in love. So I love the color. I love the design on the bust area, and I love the straps on this as well. This is so cute, and this is also like that reversible one that I showed you in the beginning. This is that gauzy material. This is very comfortable, and the waistband is has more stretch, more give to it, and the shoulders are comfortable. I just love this so much. So this is the Freya Sculpknit. This one is low impact, and this one is $59.95. And so the pants that go with it also have the they're the same color. Look at that. And I like this cute accent right here on the side. I guess you could clip something to that. It has pockets. Okay, we're all about the pockets over here. It has pockets, but I'm thinking, I don't know, I guess you could clip something to this if you, you know, get like the clip on your keychain or something. But let me read this one to you. Okay, so this is the high-waisted Motion 365 7/8 sweatpants, leggings, I'm sorry. And they have side phone pockets. Okay, yeah, jacket loop at waistband. And they are high compression fabric, and these are $74.95 again with the pricing. But anyhow, like I said, I like these. I like these a lot. These, but also are just like the lavender set, that be mindful of what you are wearing underneath it, because it will show through. So that is all the pieces that I have today. I really hope that this video was helpful for you if you are trying to make a decision on whether or not you want to purchase from Fabletics. I definitely encourage you to go to the website for yourself and take a look, excuse me, and take a look at the pieces that they have to offer, take a look at their membership, and see if it works for you. Remember, just because it works for somebody or does not work for somebody does not mean that it has to be your story. So I just wanted to say thank you again. I hope you enjoyed this haul. If I do decide to place another order with them, because I was on the website and I did see a couple of cute new pieces released for fall, and I may order again. I know I just talked a whole bunch of junk about the pricing, but I did not skip this month, so I may order again. And if I do, I'll bring that back and show you guys. But until the next video, take care and be blessed. See you guys soon.